Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about fertilization. So let's start our topic with introduction. Fertilization is the biological process by which a male gamete that is sperm fused with a female gamete that is egg or ovum to form a single cell that is called a zygote. This process restores the diploid chromosome number and initiates the development of new organism. Fertilization is a fundamental step in sexual reproduction and it is essential for continuation of species. Definition of fertilization. Fertilization is fusion of haploid nuclei of sperm and egg, thus resulting in formation of diploid zygote. Site of fertilization. In human, fertilization usually occurs in the ampulla of fallopian tube, which is the widest part of tube near the ovary. Requirements for fertilization. First, it requires mature gametes that are fully developed egg and healthy motile sperms. Second requirement is successful copulation or insemination, that is, sperm must reach the female reproductive tract. Third requirement is optimal timing, as the egg must be fertilized within 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. Fourth requirement is favorable environment, that is proper vaginal and uterine pH and conditions for the sperm survival should be there. Now let's talk about stages of fertilization. First is sperm transport, second stage is sperm capacitation, third is contact and recognition of by the egg, fourth is acrosome reaction, fifth stage is fusion of membrane, sixth is cortical reaction, that is block to polyspermy. Seventh stage is pronuclear formation and eighth stage is fusion of pronuclei. Now let's talk about these 8 stages of fertilization one by one. So first stage is sperm transport. It is when sperm are deposited in female reproductive tract during intercourse. They travel through cervix, uterus and into the fallopian tube with the help of their motility and uterine contraction. Only a few hundred sperm reach the egg out of the million ejaculated. Second stage of fertilization then start, that is sperm capacitation. This is a physiological process that occurs in the female reproductive tract. It involves changes in sperm membrane, making it capable of binding to and penetrating the egg. Then there is third stage of fertilization, that is contact and recognition. It is when sperm binds to the zona pellucida, that is outer covering of the egg through the receptors. This contact and recognition ensures species-specific fertilization. Next stage of fertilization is acrosome reaction. It is when sperm acrosome, that is a cap-like structure on the sperm, release enzyme to digest the zona pellucida. This reaction allows the sperm to penetrate the egg's protective layer. Then there is fifth stage of fertilization, that is fusion of membrane. It is when sperm cell membrane fuse with the egg membrane and the sperm nucleus and other components enter the egg cytoplasm, but sperm tail is usually left outside. Then the sixth step of fertilization or sixth stage of fertilization is cortical reaction or block to polyspermy. This is when egg release enzyme that harden the zona pellucida, thus preventing entry of additional sperm. And this ensures only one sperm fertilizes the egg. Then there is the seventh stage of fertilization, that is pronuclear formation. It is when sperm nucleus enlarged to form the male pronucleus and the int nucleus enlarged to become the female pronucleus. Then there is eighth stage of fertilization, that is fusion of pronuclei. The male and female pronuclei in this stage merge, combining their chromosomes, and the diploid zygote is formed, marking the completion of fertilization. So that's how the fertilization process ends with the help of 8 stages of fertilization. Now let's talk about significance of fertilization. First, it restores diploidy, as this stage combines haploid gametes to form the diploid zygote. Thus, it restores diploidy of the chromosome number. Second significance of fertilization is genetic variation, as this fertilization introduces genetic diversity through recombination. Third significance is sex determination, as sperm sex chromosome X or Y determine the baby's sex. Fourth significance is this stage activates the egg as it initiates embryonic development and cell division. Fifth significance of fertilization is species continuity, as this is essential for survival of species through sexual reproduction. Types of fertilization. First, there is external fertilization that occur outside the body. It occurs in amphibians and fish. It requires large number of gametes and a water medium. Then their second type of fertilization is internal fertilization. It occurs inside the female body. It occurs in human, birds, and reptiles. This internal fertilization protects gametes and increases the chances of successful fertilization. Now let's talk about factors affecting fertilization success. First is timing of ovulation and sperm availability. Second factor that affects fertilization success is gamete quality and motility. Third factor is hormonal balance in the female reproductive system. Fourth factor is absence of physical or genetic disorder affecting fertility. Now let's talk about assisted fertilization. When natural fertilization is difficult, assisted reproductive technologies are used. They include in vitro fertilization, that is when fertilization occurs outside the body. It may include intracytoplasmic sperm injection, that is a single sperm is injected into an egg. Assisted fertilization method may include artificial insemination, that is sperm is introduced artificially into the uterus. Conclusion of this lecture video. Fertilization is a key biological process that initiates life by combining genetic material from two parents. It not only ensures the formation of new individuals but also promotes genetic diversity, which is essential for evolution and species survival. And this was all about fertilization. Hopefully you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.